When it comes to black ink, World Famous has got you covered. World Famous offers 3 formulations with no confusion. First, we have Blackout, a true all-purpose black for outlining, shading, and packing. The fast-flowing consistency makes it adaptable across all tattoo styles, and it heals evenly across lines, shading, and fills without patchiness. Next, there's Triple Blackout. Triple Blackout delivers deep, solid black and long-lasting, rich black saturation. The high-flow formulation carries a high pigment load, and it's ideal for bold fills, maximum depth, and high-impact black work. Then, we have Legendary Outlining, designed for classic and clean line work. The balanced pigment load provides solid coverage with smooth and even saturation. And once healed, lines stay sharp and defined. 3 black inks, 3 clear purposes, no confusion. World Famous.